How to fix YouTube error 153 video player configuration error. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix YouTube error 153. So if YouTube keeps giving you that annoying error and won't load your videos, follow along step by step to get it sorted. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your web browser. Now click the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu and select Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Security on the left-hand side. From there, click Third-Party Cookies and then select See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search bar, type YouTube. Once it shows up, clear all of YouTube's cache files. You should also clear the cache files for the website where you ran into the error. This helps remove any corrupted data that might be causing the problem. Now let's check your extensions. Go to Extensions in your browser and turn them off temporarily. Sometimes extensions can interfere with YouTube and trigger error 153. After that, go back to YouTube and see if the error is gone. If it's still happening, don't worry. Another simple solution is to try using a different browser. This often bypasses any remaining issues. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix YouTube error 153 and get back to enjoying your videos without interruptions.